Oh no, I've messed up here. I'm running. Yo, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm back down at Mantis Cars. It's been a while since I came down here, and the last videos I did actually really well with the guys, and they were like, we want you to come back down and do some more with some of the cars we've got. And I said, well, the weather is terrible. If you can pick it up on the camera, it's soaking wet, and the cars they're gonna allow me to drive are ridiculous, and I don't want to potentially ruin them in this weather. So I thought what we'd do is come down, check out their stock again, because it's always changing in here, and they've normally got some pretty amazing stuff. So let's head inside and get out of this rain. Starting off, the 335 convertible. This is definitely featured in a video before, but we didn't have a proper look around it. It's absolutely beautiful. Now I want to take this out because I love these, and it's got the F1 gearbox in this one. Now I think these are possibly my favourite looking attainable Ferrari. My F40 is obviously my favourite, along with the F50. But look at that, look how sick it is. And the guys even turned the music off, so I can actually talk without having to worry. Now they have got a Ford in here that I'm gonna have to show you in a minute. It's actually tucked up over in that corner just there, and it is insanely rare. I don't know everything about it, so I'm not gonna lie. They did tell me all about it, but it went in one ear and out the other. So also trying to see if there's anything we can do with this. but yeah, let's keep having a look around their stock real quick. I love it in here. I want to shop like this. So they've got AC Cobra. This is a replica, they said. They weren't lying about it. This is a replica, but it is a beast. I know nothing about it, but we can find out. I might even go grab their new sales girl in a minute, because she's absolutely stunning. So it's an excuse to talk to her, I guess. It looks amazing under these lights. Paint looks stunning. Yeah, it looks stunning. And we've got a little Fiat 500 again. I think we've seen that before. But the two we want to talk about today, well, really, we're going to have a look around. Should I come back to these two last? Yeah, we'll have a walk around. So we've got some more of the more prestige cars in their lineup. F-Type convertible. It's got a really nice colour interior. I'm super feeling that. That would definitely get ruined by Finn. But it looks great. Nonetheless, it's an S. Whatever that means, I don't know. Maserati. These things are pretty cool. They sound insane. I've never driven one. I've never even actually been in one. I wonder if it's a... Oh, it is open. Wow, it's got carbon fibre door handles. Look at that. Wow. It's a pretty beastly looking car in there, isn't it? There's so many buttons. Look at all the buttons are. God, it smells Italian as well. Look at all these buttons. Carnage. Another F-Type drop top with the S badge on the back. I know nothing about these. I know they look pretty nice though. This one's got a more Finn-friendly interior with the black leather, as you can see just there. Really like that. This GTR is here as well for sale. If anybody looking for a GTR, a nice black one here. Audi TTS, is it? I don't know anything about these. Right, I don't know what it is, but I know it's a TT, and I know it looks good. Then we've got RS3. I've heard many good words said about these. I'd really like to have a go in one of these as well, to be fair. The guys here are being super cool with me and allowing me basically to take whatever I want. So it's amazing to finally have an opportunity like this, especially because they're local, which means I haven't got to drive 3 hours before we do a video. Some things about these RS3s that I find a bit bizarre is these like silver details everywhere. I mean, I can't work out if I like it or not. Maybe I'd have that in carbon fibre. That's just me though. Porsche Boxster. That Morris Minor over here. Man, we could do a little squad up with the Fiat 500. That would be so cool. And then a huge old Bentley. I love that. That's so English, isn't it? That is so cool. Audi R8, always a winner. I think Jordan from Slam UK has just got one of these, and it looks incredible. Oh, it's a manual as well. Love that. Jordan's got his all done. It looks sick. So these are coming down in value so much. They're becoming a real good, almost project car. Because, and the GTR, these two cars have come down colossally in price. So I think they're a really nice option. We've also got this old Jag XK8 here. Absolutely gorgeous car. And these are going back up in value, so they're becoming a collector's item. I'm feeling that. Oh, Nath. Now I know Nath wants to sell his AMG, and I know he wants one of these. So there you go, Jeep Wrangler. That's massive. Wrangler. She's unlocked as well. Look at that. So American, isn't it? Even the colour of the lights on the dash, just so American. And we have these two Ford Focuses over here. It both, I think, for Ford boys are going to be equally as wantage, if that's a word. So we've got an RS Focus here. These things, when they came out, were insane. This is in my opinion, the best colour to get one in, the ridiculously luminous green. I love it. I think that's sick. And maybe I should take that out and actually have a go in one. What do you reckon? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which ones of these you really want to see me in, and I'll make sure I make the effort to come up here. Then we got this thing. Now this is, let me get this right, a Ford Focus T230. And it was like one of their really limited run cars. Now I think there's only 4 of these or 8 of these left. 4, maybe there was 8 made and there's 4 left. But this thing is so insanely rare, and it's almost like a car that they gave to a guy who's a tuner from back in the day and just go crazy with it, almost like a SEMA build. I do like the wheels it's got on it, Team Dynamics. Can't say I'm a massive fan of that. The Moretti headlights, whatever they're called. The front lip's quite nice. Let's see if it's open. Most of these cars are. Yes, she is. So it's got like a blue interior. And you see it's all Corbu interior in there, all leather and material. I don't know. But yeah, this is a super rare car. It's got a wicked spoiler on the back as well. Oh yeah, there's a badge. Look at that. T230. This is a super rare car. So if you're a Ford collector out there, maybe Jamie RS, I should tell her about this. But yeah, if you're a Ford collector, I think this is probably going to be one you got your eye on. And when I saw that there's only 4, I thought it was going to be way more expensive than it was. Because even the design, if it's not your thing, if you're a collector, you tend to just go for these sort of things, innit? Now, let's head over to these 2 incredible cars that I am going to be driving at some point. And I can't wait. We have the Renault 5 Turbo 2. Now, these things are worth so much money now, and this one is in such good condition as well. I'm nervous about driving that car. I'm going to, and I'm going to enjoy it, but I am nervous. So, we just go in there. Look at that. Whoa, it smells good as well. God, it smells wicked. It smells just old. But yeah, really, really into that. The old boxy dash. All of that would be so cool. Look at that. Then we have this Lancia Delta. Now this is actually owned by Ant of this company. He loves this car and he really wants me to go out on it. So I've said, oh, you know, if I have to, you know, I'll take it off if I have to, you know. I am really excited to show you guys this. We need to get this on a proper feature video, I think, and just go out and enjoy it. And we need some information on these things though, so I think I might have to get some help in for that one. Is this one open as well? Yes, she is. I love this car. I love the interior, the Recaro speeds, just the design pattern on it. I love that it's yellow. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I've messed up here. I'm running. I love this car. The interior in here, right? And it just reminds me of a fighter jet. Like, obviously not all the digital stuff. We're talking like a fighter jet from the 80s, but like how everything comes around like this, the rev gauge. That's all I just love that it's all yellow and the car's yellow. And it's left-hand drive, the box up here with the carbon fiber all around it. Right, so I'm not gonna talk too much about it right now because I wanna do a full feature video on this, and I feel like if I say this all now, it's not gonna be a whole lot we can talk about in the feature video, but I am gonna employ some help on these feature videos, and it's one of their salespeople here. I'm gonna do this for you guys mainly, because I could definitely do my general learn about the car before I do it, but it's just absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna make sure there's a bit of a treat for you guys there to watch. Shall I go get her now? Just put her on the spot a bit. Yeah. So I am now joined by Sam, who is their new salesperson.
Hi guys.
Hi. So you are Sam, and you've been here a week. Which one of the cars in here is your favourite so far?
My favourite so far, being a lover of an Audi, is probably the R8.
Yeah? Well, I'm going to make you come with me in these two, because these are more a bit of me than the R8. I think it'll be fun, so I need you to learn about them so I don't have to. Okay. Okay? This is how it's gonna work. I don't have to do any work and I get a pretty girl to accompany me on the test drive. It's gonna be wicked. I'm gonna get you to come out with me probably over the next couple of weeks in these. Are you up for that?
Yeah, no worries.
Sweet. Awesome. And don't leave any weird comments, please, because it just makes it awkward. Right, boys, so that should be a little treat for you when we do the car stuff too. So we've got some amazing cars, a beautiful girl who's gonna help us, show us around them, and also saves me a job. So that's pretty sweet. So from here in Mantis Cars, the last thing I want to do is, if you guys can think of an idea for me, because I'm lazy, to do with this. So we can't really drive it on the road, but we can like do stuff around with it in here. So think of something fun we can do. I was kind of thinking my first Lamborghini video. Sorry Paul, Mr. Wallace. You've been here 10 years, man. You've got to let us have some fun now. So, well, yeah, it's going to be something like that. Maybe something with the Cobra, with the Ferrari. I mean, all this newer stuff is cool. I'd be interested in the Fords. Let me know down below, what do you want to see? But the first question is, which one of these do you want to see first? I'm kind of leaning towards the Lancia because it's yellow and it's sick and I can't wait to drive it properly. But you let me know down in the comments. We'll definitely get something sorted out. And there are a couple of cars outside. I've seen Nave's brother's old R8 convertibles here, but it's raining and I don't want to get wet. I've got to go to college later and it's going to suck. They do have one car here that I really want to buy myself. And it's none of those that you see in there. What it actually is this. I would love to replace my Touareg with this thing because it's obviously a bit newer, lower mileage. It's got the glass roof that I would kill for. But this is a sick car that they've got in stock as well. Hello, you naughty little thing. Kind of tucked away over here, isn't it? Look at that. Get us 1,000 likes on this video and I'll do a video on this. Nissan Figaro as well. Oh man, these little cars are so funny. So I'm sure a few of you guys are thinking, what's the end goal? Why are we coming down here so often? Well, number one, I'll be straight up, it gives me content. They allow me to take their incredible cars out to review, to enjoy and to drive and to get a video of. I have to do the best videos I can. Not just to help these guys and for myself, but for you guys. I want you guys to enjoy it. But I know that on their website, they've got tucked away somewhere a Diablo. A Lamborghini Diablo, a proper Lamborghini. And that is my dream car. When I was a kid, the Lamborghini Diablo was on my wall next to a Dodge Viper. My goal is to convince these guys with videos of their cars, their stock, to let me have a go in the Lambo. If I'm completely honest, that thing is one of my dream cars. I think I could, even if it gets no views, it would just be the best day of my life. So I hope that I can do some great content for these guys, for you guys to enjoy out there who enjoy the review side of my videos, and I hopefully end up in a Diablo one day, even if it's just for like an hour. It would just be the best day of my life. So yeah, I'm gonna sign out from here now, guys, because I've got to shoot to college shortly, and we'll see us back here in the next couple of weeks in either the Renault or the Lancia, because you're gonna let me know down below which one you want to see me on. In fact, I'm gonna put a poll on my Twitter. So I'm going to put Lancia Delta or the Renault 5 Turbo 2, and you need to go and do it, and then I'm going to let these guys know, and I'm going to come back with all my camera gear and we're going to film a boss video. So yeah, let me know down below, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, we've got some good stuff lined up. I'm so excited. Make sure you subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Peace.